banking system is so leveraged to subprime delinquencies are picking up, buy now, pay later names are acting poorly, auto loan companies are going bankrupt.
2 high-profile bankruptcies in the auto finance space leading to a broad-based sell-off. I suspect we're going to see more of these things.
Cue the fire, just like that. Worse than Lehman Brothers. I mean, that's what news agencies are saying. People are getting completely wiped out, and now everyone is screaming Black Monday. And I say, you can't have a Black Monday when you're closed. Also, what I can tell you is this guy right here, he's not bailing you out, Asia. Sorry. We already know how it's going to be looking come Tuesday. Yes, those markets have been selling off. Sorry. Also, we're talking crypto. What the actual F happened and how much money did you make or lose because you left your leverage positions open? And if it does not happen on Monday, I mean, crypto, there's a lot of accounts open, ready to go. Also, breaking news, those accounts, that just randomly opened up, a few hours, had billions in there, liquidated everything, the short positions, it's still open. Have not yet cashed in their gains, and because what comes after Monday is, come on, LA Unified, you got this, is Tuesday. Now, I don't know, I don't want to say, history repeats, but if you would like to know when the 1929 stock market crash happened, that would be October 29th on a Tuesday. So I do not mean to incite fear. Okay, if you understand and you know what you're doing, this should not be taking place in your soul. So breaking news, I do not want to cause more fear in your soul, but what happened could have been avoided. Also, the money that is about to be made should not be avoided. This is why I come here every day while the normies get all freaked out. Today was the first day that they figured out, oh my gosh, so my whole account can go to zero? I say, yes, Scott, zero. It's all gone. You have leverage. Also, good luck trying to get it off the exchanges. Those of us that have been in this market for a long time, very familiar, actually in just about every market crash, because I put in shorts, these guys won't let you. Actually, this article says, take your funds off centralized exchanges immediately. Coinbase and Robinhood users are reporting issues selling and withdrawing their crypto. Really? Robinhood? I've never heard of this before. Coinbase? No. And I've told you I've had issues with Coinbase. I still use them. I actually use them today because I use them to funnel funds. But I do know that sometimes they'll go, I'll take it from my bank to Coinbase, and Coinbase like, nope, we didn't get it. And my bank's like, no, we sent it. So when anyone asks me like, what exchange would you recommend? None. But we are currently using Blowfin. That is because all of the fees and regulatory issues, no bueno. But guys, if you have crypto and you have a wallet, it's still there. This might be worth a whole lot less come Monday, come Tuesday. Breaking, the Bitcoin whale who shorted BTC and ETH is now sitting on 35.8 million in unrealized profits. They still have not closed their position yet, so they expect prices to drop further. Just like that, we can monitor the blockchain. If you guys want to know what you're like, what's that mean? Well, more's coming. Winter Mule has withdrawn around 2,500 BTC from Binance in the past few hours. Another mega dump is incoming. And if Japan is any indication of that, oh, it was okay. Still going. It's like a bad dream within a bad dream within a bad nightmare. But now, if you were to have clicked the short button right there, it just keeps paying. Now I know a lot of you are like, Trump knew about this. He's part of the rug pull. Okay. Boy just wants to make some cheddar and he has a family that he has to take care of. Plus, Trump puts an extra 100% tariffs. Imports, adds export control, critical software, all this on China. I know, what a coinky dink, right? Right as the market closes, like rug pull. Actually, behind the scenes, it kind of looked like this. Okay, the short is in, now the China thing, and let's kick off the Black Swan. So if you would like to know how I did, which you don't care, that AI thingy in one of my accounts, it was trading because AI trades for me. And one of the positions it opened was Doge. I doubled my money. And I've been seeing a lot online like, there is no way anyone could have predicted this. Really? Happens all the time. Now the rug pull, the people behind the scenes, okay. I didn't know that, but it was a perfect setup. I was trading it on the 2-minute, and then I saw a triangle. It's like, put it on a short. Huh, this just keeps paying. I showed you in yesterday's video, I think the one call was 26,000. So if you would like to know how to do this so you do not get taken advantage of, and $299, get the course, go through it, access to the AI, allow AI to do the work, because I guess we're all lazy. I will walk you through it step by step, whether you, and this is the time. I'm telling you, especially if you're trading crypto, if you do it right. And yes, I know there's manipulation. Bitcoin would have hit 60,000 if Tether didn't save its life with some liquidity. Actually, you witnessed a liquidity event yesterday. The banks are feeling it right now. That is why people are calling this the Black Swan, Black Friday, Monday, Tuesday. The Treasury can print bonds out of thin air. Tether, I guess, can print crypto out of thin air, save that market. But it is not looking good in the banking sector, and they are failing one after another. Also, take advantage of the bank stocks. Click the button where it says short or sell, and then watch your digits go up as the digits go down. Now in crypto, I'll show you what happened. This was on Binance. You guys had this one. I mean, 420 was kind of the game changer here. Any crypto bro would tell you, and this is on the 1 hour. 1 minute, 420. The next minute, look at this, all the way down to 0. Everyone's account was liquidated, gone. There is nothing in it. I will show you. Look, follow my finger. That's 0.00. I thought I had $1 million in there. Huh? It's gone. Bravo, I just looked at the chart. It's at $3.20. If you used leverage, it's all gone. The question is, could this chart right here predicted it? Yes. Here, I will help you with this. And you better, like, if you were trading this, you've had all of these days in here. It's telling you the game's over. This pattern is called a triangle, LA Unified, and we carry this down here, okay? Look, all the way down. Not just that, look at your confirmation. You're under. You can't get above. It's done. Sayonara. The banks are cooked. Everyone's cooked. The economy is cooked. Put these on your watch list. Capital One, Citizens, like this. Let's get some money. I mean, for the price of a textbook, you can learn all about this. Oh, and that $299, because I'm starting to get to the end of finishing the course, goes up to $299 to $399. And I am trying to make you like Jesse Livermore. Well, kind of Livermore. I mean, it didn't end well. He's actually in the course, where he took advantage of this collapse of 1929, triggered by tariffs. I know history rhymes like a rap song. Okay, what do we got here? We got Tuesday, okay, 1929, stock market crash. October, we have the tariffs. No, it's not a guarantee. No, I mean, nothing's a guarantee. But when I look at the charts, this is all your sectors. More specifically, the banking sector. Do you see? Just follow it. Look, see, you had support, you no longer have support. You make money up, and now you're gonna make money down. Everyone is like, oh, it's a rigged casino. It's kind of. It's actually rigged in your favor. Or it's rigged if you're an insider or you're a whale. So become a whale. Yes, that's an actual thing. You can, especially the crypto market. But this kind of stuff has been going on forever. So if you understand the charts, you can visibly see pump and dumps. Look at volume. You could see, okay, someone's like bringing everyone to the party. And it's like, oh, look, this is good. And it's one whale that just keeps increasing the price, okay? Little more, and then retail comes in. Oh, this is a great thing. And then, bam. Some cryptos weren't even affected. It was crazy. It's like, oh, you guys weren't part of the game. This is XRP. Everyone's like, I mean, the volume, a little bit, but come on. It was clear manipulation. Could you have spotted this? Also, Pi cycle top, it's not in on Bitcoin yet. Because I know a lot of you guys are like, yes, XRP army. I'm telling you, you got a few million, you can manipulate it. Actually, I don't know how much you can manipulate XRP with a few million, but the other ones, absolutely. Okay, and I can measure this even higher. But so here we go. Let's see. Let me move this line and let's take a look. You break this, okay, confirm it, you go down here. Well, went a little lower. All of these people that were leveraged, gone. This post says the worst part is not the crash. The worst part is that people completely got wiped out. Again, you have 2 leverage, gone. Even those, two, nothing left. This was not a dump, it was a complete reset. And absolutely people knew about it. But again, if you understand how to set yourself up, you're fine. All of my accounts were protected. All the AI was protected. We actually doubled money. I mean, you could have too if you were basically just glued to the 2-minute and you didn't move. Had stop losses. New crypto account was open yesterday morning. Look at this. 30 minutes before Trump's announcement of 100% tariff on China, it added a huge multi-million-dollar leveraged Bitcoin short position per YF. The market dumped. The trader walked away with 200 million in 2 hours. This trade is a confession, and if you were to follow that, I mean, it's impossible. You probably have about 40 people close enough to this guy that knew it, and you just share with your friends. Maybe you take part in this. There are so many solutions to all this. 1, hold gold, hold silver. You're fine. Number 2, don't leave your accounts with 2x. Some of them, 100x? It's just ridiculous. So if you think using these exchanges, this was, I think, was it Robinhood or Coinbase? Everything was rejected. Market buy, rejected. I know this. It's happened to me. And I don't remember if it was Robinhood or if it was Coinbase, but when Bitcoin got up to 20 grand a few decades ago, for that last market top was in, I was trying to take profit. And at 19, no, 18, 7, finally 17. I was getting error messages all over my screen. I remember holding it to my wife and showing her. I'm like, look, I'm doing all I can do. Just need an ounce of wisdom. Look at this. I have a friend close to 30 million net worth. He almost a decade in crypto, lost 330 million minutes, liquidated, gone. It's all gone. I'm telling you that the charts, they're giving you a warning. This was 2008. You guys want to know where we're at now? We're currently right there. And we hit a top. This account from 15 million down to 4,000. Oh, and in regards to China, which we've spoken about, China's planning to dump US treasuries next week. And we have breaking news that China sold all of its cryptocurrency and the stock market is next. Well, the good news is if you're thinking about refinancing, I've been telling you, wait, again, we're learning. We're going to learn about a triangle again. Let me pull this here. All right. And this is the 10-year yield. This is where banks do all their loaning from. Okay, so we came down. All right, we came up. Oh, rejected. All right, now we go lower. This is what's called a confirmation. Now let me just move it all the way to, you want to know where 10 years is going to be? So we'll be sitting at 3.5. So run out there and buy your new home. Oh, and in regards to gold and silver, central banks now hold more gold than U.S. treasuries. I've been telling you, warning, how many crises do you need to see? And what did gold and silver do? Went up. Congratulations, gold and silver. Breaking news, I've never heard this guy say sell it all. And I don't know if you guys follow verified investing. I got some respect for this cat. Let's listen in.
Question, Mike, is it, should we sell in October and go away? Or is there some upside somewhere? Where do we go with all this?
So I'm going to say something I hardly ever said in my life as a strategist and as a trader, is sell everything. I just,
dump it all.
Everything. Dump it all. So first of all, gold, $4,000 gold. It's just shockingly, almost stupid expensive going back 50, 100 years.
You've loved gold for a long time. So you saying that's a big deal.
Well, sometimes you just got that. Sometimes the bell rings. That means Bitcoin. That means stocks. It means everything. So
there you have it, right out of the horse's mouth. And when it's a liquidity crisis, everyone clicks sell. Everything is liquidated. Gold, silver, but gold held up, you guys. It was up yesterday. It was up 1% after hours. Just keeps on going. Just remember, no one is going to take your gold. No, if you hold it, okay, you get to keep it. Just that, you could even have your image put on it. Look at that. That's silver. But with that, that is what happened. Buckle up, Buttercup. It should be interesting. Learn how to make money going down. There's nothing cooler than running to your accounts and watching it go up. All the normies keep buying the dip, which is fine. We need that. Go all in. Do 100x leverage. And with that, love you guys. See you tomorrow.